It was never a focus when I was growing up, or where I grew up. Nobody cared what your background was. I mean, you were mindful of people that had different ethnic identities. My best friend was Bob Carlozzi, and he was very Italian. His parents didn't even speak English.
Really?
He got killed in Vietnam.
Was that 2 people?
But nobody cared. It wasn't.
No, it's.
Nobody cared. Nobody chose friends based on what their parents were. We had dykes around the corner. We had a homosexual next way. We had Catholics over there. We had the Steinbergs, which were Jewish.
Oh, okay.
The Italians of Bruno's were next door. But nobody, I mean, we were mindful of who they were.
Well, it seems like everyone was segregated.
But who cares? Well, everybody was like homogenous. I mean, when I was in school, you were mindful of religious differences. But mainly, that was their parents.
I don't think I've ever been.
The parents were Jewish or Catholic or agnostic. Nobody really cared. I mean, if a guy was a jerk and happened to be a Jew, it wasn't because he was Jewish. It was because he was a jerk.
And then I had to stay at work and
Oh, God.
Uh-oh.
From Debbie? What's that?